Taekwondo, DFG Taekwondo Academy, and Baguio Defenders. Grade 2 female gold, champion team, Baguio Defenders. First place, Limitless and RTA. Again, calling the following coaches, please claim your trophies. Champion team, Grace Male Advance, Grace Ramos Taekwondo. First place, DFG Taekwondo Academy. Second place, Baguio Defenders. Graceful Female Advance, Champion Team, Baguio Defenders. First place, first runner-up, Limitless Taekwondo, and second runner-up, RTA. Junior Female and Male Advance, Champion, Limitless Taekwondo. First runner-up, A. Justness Team. Second runner-up, J. Doroma Taekwondo Team. Junior Male Advance Champion, Baguio Defenders A. First runner-up, National University A. And second runner-up, National University B.
Ate, say